welcome to my channel. So right now you might be thinking, where am I? So I am actually in Shiv Mandir. It's very close to Siliguri and not very far from Bagdogra. So I just wanted to show you this particular place. It's a very small town, you can say, very close to Siliguri, as I said. So it's a very beautiful place. The main attraction of Shiv Mandir, you can say, it's the North Bengal University Medical College. North Bengal Medical College is very close to this place, and you have various schools and also colleges out here. So it's an educational hub, and so many people they come and stay here. There are many people from the hills, Kalimpong, Sikkim, Kurseong, Darjeeling. They make this their second home. This is their favorite place to stay, just because it's in middle. You can go to the Bagdogra airport directly, or else you can go to Siliguri. So it falls somewhere in between. So that is why this is the most preferred place of the local people out here. For those who are watching from outside Siliguri or maybe another state, you may have heard of Siliguri but not of Shiv Mandir. So you would not know much about it. But for those who do not know, this is just a very beautiful place. There's lots of infrastructure development out here. You can see the greenery out here at the back. So this all was actually agricultural farmland, but slowly urbanization has taken over, and now you can see so many buildings. And these, I believe, in few years, these green patches that you see, this will also be covered with concrete jungle, as they say. So this is Shiv Mandir, a small information about Shiv Mandir that I have given. And I have come to my sister's place. She has got her own flat out here. So just I wanted to just show you around from the terrace. Such a beautiful day we have, and nothing much to be done actually. So we are going to leave this place and again return back home. It will take somewhere around 1 hour from now on. We will go back. So how do you like this beautiful Shiv Mandir? It's going to rain. It's overcast and it's going to rain, guys. It's going to rain. And at the back, I think you will not be able to see with GoPro, but you can see there are some guys fishing. Okay, there are some guys fishing in this concrete jungle. They are fishing, so it's quite a contrasting thing. There are so many concrete jungles, all this urbanization happening, and you have these people fishing. One more thing that I would like to add is affluent person, affluent people who are living in the hills, they make this the second home. So they get the best of both worlds, which means that during summer season they prefer to stay in the hills, receive the cool temperature. Yes, just to get the cool temperature. And during winter season, when it's extreme cold out there, they come and stay here in Shiv Mandir. Just to show you around this place, quite a few development has happened here, but you can see barren stretches of land, barren stretches, and where they have bordered also boundary, they have done everything. Yes, so this will also be, in few years, this will also be constructed. Of course it will be constructed. Such a beautiful day. It's going to rain, guys, and I just love this kind of atmosphere. Thing I would like to add is, do not believe in what people say. They just try to demotivate you, and they feel that if they cannot do it, others cannot do it as well. So that is one thing that I've learned. When I first started vlogging, many of my friends, relatives, they were saying, "What? You're kind of a mad person. Why are you vlogging? You are not meant to be vlogged. You cannot speak well, right?" So they try to demotivate me, and for once I thought maybe I'm not meant for that, because there are other people who can speak really well. Their cinematography and their video skills are really good. So I cannot do either of that. So maybe I should stop. But I realized that with time and with the process, my videos will become good, and I will find viewers, I will find supporters. Of course there are so many like me who really want to come to YouTube, but because of obvious reasons, because of family, friends, yes, and peers, they do not want to come into this field. So my advice to you is, come to YouTube, Yes, do some vlogging, make some videos. It can be anything, right? But just start. You may not have a GoPro, that is fine. Yes, just your smartphone. Yes, with front camera, not front camera, sorry, back camera, right? Your smartphone with with your camera. Yes, that's more powerful, and you can reach to so many people. I at the moment also do not have many views, but that's fine. With time this video will also reach masses. Yes, consistency is the key. I have to be consistent, I have to deliver, yes, videos, and I have to make videos much better, more engaging for the viewers, and then I will have lots of followers, and they will like my video and they would want to see more of me, right? So just a piece of advice: do not believe in anyone else, believe in yourself, and if you feel that you can do it, do it. If others say you cannot do it, hey, you cannot, you are not the right person, or how can you do this, you are not meant to do this, sorry, they are not the one to judge you. If you believe in yourself, you definitely can do it. It's going to rain and I have to get inside, but before I do that, I just would like to tell the viewers, please do comment from which part of the country you are watching my video, so that I will just have an idea where this video has reached. Just a small guy from a small town, vlogging, interested in vlogging. Also, I would like to do some kind of motor vlogging and show you around my place. That is also the one thing that I would like to do, but for now it would be just vlogging and showing around my place and just speaking with you. Just let me know, okay, how you like it. Thank you guys, have a good day, and please do take care of yourself.